Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. You all must have heard or seen about QR codes, right? I was thinking to create one for my own blogging website and I decided to do the same with Python. How cool, right? Do you wish to create your own QR code? Well, here's how you can do it. Before moving forward, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe it so you never miss an update. Let's look at today's agenda. We'll cover QR code basics, small difference between QR code and barcode and look at its use cases, and finally we'll see how to create your own QR code with Python. So let's get started. Let's look at a quick introduction at QR code. QR code stands for quick response. A QR code is a type of matrix barcode first designed in 1994 for the automotive industry in Japan. A barcode is a machine readable optical label that contains information about the item to which it is attached. Now look at a small difference. QR code and barcodes are similar in practice, but QR code contains more information because they have the ability to hold information both horizontally and vertically. Whereas, on the other hand, barcode only uses horizontal information. QR code can be majorly classified into two categories: static QR code and dynamic QR code. A static QR code contains information that is fixed and uneditable once the code has been generated. Now let's look at its few use cases. Static QR code can be used in business cards or product packaging, can be made use for personal usage like as a party invitation. Dynamic QR codes allows you to update, edit and modify the QR code any number of times you require. That is, the content is editable. Let's look at its use cases. It can be used for coupons or for social media purpose. Now that you have a basic understanding of what a QR code is, let's create one. You can find all the code at my GitHub repository. It's time to code. So I am inside my Visual Studio Code. Let's start by creating a Python file. I'll name it as QR code. So first let's install the necessary packages required. I'll open the terminal here. And now let's install the necessary packages. Use pip install command to do the same. First write pip install QR code and hit enter. Because I have already installed these packages in my system, it says requirement already satisfied. Next you need to install pip install pypng and hit enter. Once you have successfully installed both the packages, we can import them in a Python script. PyQR code module is used to create QR code. It's designed to be as simple as possible, and it does so by using sane defaults and auto detection to create a QR code very easily. Use command import pyqr code to import the package. Next, we require some text that we are going to convert as a QR code. Since I am creating it for my own blogging website, I'll use the text as ayushirawat.com here. Let's store it inside data. Now that we have the data with us, we can move forward and make use of the package we just imported. Let's create an object. I'm naming it as img here. We will make use of the create method. So pyqr code dot create data. Now let's store it in a PNG format. So I'll use image.png And now let's name our file. I am naming it as my blog website .png. Remember to give the proper format here. Let's save it. Now let's run a Python script. See that a new PNG file is created inside a Python folder. Let me open it and show you. So as you can see, we can see a very small QR code here. So let's provide it proper scaling. Let's go back to our program and let's add scale here. I am using scale as 10 here. Let's save it again and let's run it. And now let's once again check our blog website.png. That's it. We are done. Simple, isn't it? Our result looks great. This is the QR code of my blog website. Scan and check it out. I hope this helped you in understanding how to create your own QR code with Python. You can find all the code at my GitHub repository. Check out my blog for a step-by-step guide for the same. Join my Telegram channel and Discord server. Link is available in the description box below. Connect with me on other social platforms. Link is provided in the description box below. I would strongly recommend you to check out my other Python tutorial videos. Build your own Google Chrome extension, web scraping coronavirus data with MS Excel, how to create your own image captcha with Python, create audiobook from any PDF with Python, and create a digital clock with Python, and many more. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to reach out to me. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss an update. I will be back with more such videos very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.